In this training video, we're going to provide training on the SharePoint guide for beginners. And what this guide covers is the usage of SharePoint document libraries, and that applies to sharing documents, what happens when you receive a link to a shared document that someone's trying to share with you, how you can add documents to this library, how you can make edits to it, and also how you can share the document with others that you want to either review or edit the document themselves. And we're going to break this into a few videos so that you can have easy access to the exact training section that you want to go over. And the first one is, receiving a shared document library. So the first thing, someone's created a document and they want to share it with you, you're going to receive an email that's going to look like this. They can either, depending on how they share it, they can share the file and it'll give you access to it. This is when you would use if someone doesn't currently have permissions, they would get a shared document library like this. Otherwise, if you know the person is in the shared group for this document and doesn't need access, then you would share the link. And of course, I'll go into more details on how you can share in a later video, but right now we want to focus on what you would do when you see it. So I just want to show you the different types. So in this one, you're getting a link to the document library, and in this one, you're getting a link to the actual document, where in this one you would just hit the open, and this one you just click the link. So in this one, it's taking us to the document library. This is the document that I created and I wanted to share with myself for this video. So now that you can see it, and what you can do with this is you click on the document and it'll take you to the web browser where you can see the document and you can make edits to it. And what you'll notice is it's automatically saving. So these things are set up to automatically save. So as you edit, it'll just automatically save. And of course, if you'd rather use the custom Word document app that you're used to in the desktop, you can just hit open desktop app and it'll open and it'll just say resume here, but you'll get the Word document and you can just create more edits to it. And as you can see, it's automatically saving here as well. And I just hit there. So, and then when you're done here, you can just exit out and go resume editing, and what you see is the edits were there. And that goes with everyone. If you have 3 people in this document, they can all be making edits, and you'll see their name here or wherever they're at, and you'll actually see their live edits as they go. So that's pretty cool. And that'll be kind of the end of this video. The next one we'll cover is using desktop apps instead of the web browser, which is partially what we just showed here.